G'day Jafffa Adventures, Terry King here, welcome to the channel. I got a little bit of a problem with my fridge, and I am not a fridge mechanic and I have never played with fridges before, but I'm willing to have a crack. So what exactly is the problem that I've got with the fridge? Well, have a listen to this. So I've purchased myself a replacement fan to hopefully deal with that bearing noise that I've got in my fan. Now this is not going to be a how-to video. This video is probably going to be more a lesson in having a crack. Like I said, I'm not a fridge mechanic. I've never pulled these things apart before, but how hard could it be to replace a fan in this thing and fix my problem? I'm not sure, but I'm going to find out shortly. And you know what? If I am successful, you can bet your bottom dollar that I'll save a packet of money compared to if I got a professional to look at this. So let's have a crack anyway. First thing I'm going to do is unplug this so I don't light up like a Christmas tree if I get it wrong. Next thing I'm going to do is get this strap out of the road. Looks like there's 6 screws holding this panel in, so let's give them a crack. Well, that's pretty easy. Our fan is held in with 4 screws. That's got to be pretty easy too, right? All right, what do we got? Got some little mounting rubbers here that fell down. So there looks like there's 4 mounting rubbers. Looks like that fan shroud comes off. Yeah, sweet. Looks like the bolt holes line up on my new fan. So that's good. That runs off in the same angle. Wouldn't it be awesome if that plug is identical as well? There's our original fan. Now it's got 5 blades on it. And here's my replacement fan, and it's got 7 blades on it. The pitch is different as well. This one's got a slight curved pitch to it, and those blades are a lot more flat. The part number on these is identical, D12BM-2. So before I go and swap these out, I just want to make sure that they give the same amount of blow and suck. So on this one, I've just bodged up a little 12-volt plug on the end of it. Pop that in, and she's blowing away. This one, I'll just turn the fridge on, and that'll get that little sucker running. And then I'll just put my hand in front of them and see which one blows harder. They're pretty equal, but you can hear that fan rattling and clunking away. If I shut him off, this guy here is purring like a kitten. So the bearings are definitely going on that other fan. All right, I'm happy with that test. We'll do the swap out now. Now in here, I can't actually get to that plug. It's behind this circuit board. So rather than pull that entire circuit board out just to get that plug and plug it back in, I'll snip these 2 wires off, snip these 2 off, and just solder them together. Slip on some heat shrink first. Get our wire strippers. All soldered up. Let's see if our fan works. Fridge on. Sweet. Okay, that is all soldered up and looking good. The fan is oriented in that direction. That was running in a downward direction on the old one. We had the fan shroud on it like so. And on the back side, these little rubber washers. So I'll just put a dab of silicone on them just to hold them in place. Let's kick him in the guts. Oh, sweet. Nice airflow blowing out of there. And it's pulling through the back of that cooling coil. Awesome. Pop our cover back in situ. All right, let's compare that sound before and after. No rattling there. So where'd I get my replacement fan? I just looked up that part number off eBay, and there it was, and I think it cost me about 20 bucks. So what's the moral of this story? It's not how to repair a fridge. The moral of the story is, give it a crack yourself. You know what? Open things up, have a look at them. If it looks like you're in too deep, pull the pin. But more often than not, it's a very, very simple fix like mine here. Hope you got some entertainment value out of this one, everyone. Real short video. We'll catch you next time on Jafffa Adventures. Keep your shiny side up. Bye now.